Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. And guys, in this video, I'm just going to discuss about one more small thing, like how to view application events. Okay, I mean to say whatever events are happening, where you can find, you can see, and at the same time, if you want to customize Enterprise Fax Manager, how you can achieve this one. Okay, so this is what I'm going to discuss in this video. I hope it will be informative. So in my last video, I spoke about this topic also, like synchronizing the RightFax server with external server. Okay, I was getting some error. So now we are going to see like viewing RightFax application events. So it is very simple. And apart from this, we will see like customizing the Enterprise Fax Manager. Okay, so what are the options we have and what we can configure. This is what I'm going to discuss in this video. So guys, if you feel it is informative, you know what you have to do. Small request from my side for you guys to just subscribe the channel, share, like and comment. So let me begin with this. The first one is what we will see, how to check application events. So this is already I have discussed in my previous video, where you can find all those things. So guys, it is very simple here. Okay, this is my server. I am logged in and I can go to view event logs. Okay, this option. So if you click this, it will take you to application events. So it will create one dedicated RightFax folder. You can see here it is event viewer and RightFax folder. So this is what I was talking about. You can see RightFax level, source, event id, etc. So you can even filter this one. Just right click and put filter current log. Okay, critical, error, warning. So you can just select this. As of now, I don't have any warning, I don't have any error, so I'm not able to see here. It is just giving me some informations. Okay, I can remove this. So it is just providing me information about like uh, transport module stopped successfully kind of things. So this is what the first thing I just wanted to see, because it helps you to identify the error and even for troubleshootings. So that is why I just wanted to give you a clear idea about it. And the next one is guys, like I hope this is very clear to you. You have to go to utility, view event logs. Okay, and let me show you what is that utility. You can go to this utility also and view event logs. So it will also give you same idea, it is taking the same place. Okay, or you can just right click on this and select. Now we will see the next one. What is that? Customizing Enterprise Fax Manager. Okay, so for this, what is the option? The first one is edit. You have to go to edit and then preferences, and then we will have couple of things here, like one tab is here, one tab is here, one tab is here, and these are the options. Okay, and I will tell you about all those all those options one by one, and at the same time we will configure it. So guys, for that, once again you have to go to server, go to edit and click preferences, this one. Okay, so here what you can see, like you can see the first one is user copy default. Okay, so if you see here, we have lots of options like default settings for left button user drag options. So what it is, like always prompt, copy for interconnect, no fax or phone books, copy without faxes or phone books, copy with faxes and phone books. Okay, and uh, so these are the options. So I will tell you about it theoretical here. Always prompt means what? Before copying users. Okay, if you want to copy any user, before copying users, RightFax will prompt with this list of options and required a selection. Very simple. And copy for interconnect, no fax. So what is the status of this? The user information will be copied and the user's routing type will be sent to RightFax interconnect, pointing back to server that the user was copied from. Not copied, faxes and phone book entries. Apart from this, copy without fax or phone book, the user information will be copied and not copied. What is that? Faxes and phone book entries will not be copied. Now if we talk about copy with faxes and phone book, so the user information, faxes and phone book entries will be copied. This much information will be copied. Duplicate user will receive all faxes in the source account even if these faxes already exist on the destination server, creating multiple copies of the same fax. Now copy with fax only, the user information and faxes will be copied. Duplicate users will be receiving all faxes in the source account even if these faxes already exist on the destination server, creating multiple copies of the same fax. And what will not be copied? That is phone book entries. And copy with phone book only, the user information will the user information and phone book entries will be copied and faxes will not be copied. So guys, you can read couple of options and you can check mark as per the requirement. Okay, and you can see append faxes only, like all faxes for duplicate users will be copied and duplicate users will receive all faxes in the source account even if these faxes already exist and on the destination server, creating multiple copy of the same fax. So it is when you select this option append fax only and append phone books only. So what will happen here? All phone book entries for duplicate users will be copied. All phone book entries from the source account will be added to destination user account. And what will not be copying? User information and faxes. So guys, these are the settings we can enable, okay, here only. So just now I showed you that option. This is server. So you can see here, these are the options we can enable: append faxes, append phone book only, copy with phone books only, copy with faxes only. Okay, so I hope I was capable to discuss about this all these options very clearly. Now we'll go for the next one, which is dialing rule copy option. Okay, so here setting preferences for copying dialing rule. So again you have to go to this tab and here replace all rules on destination. So if you are selecting this, then what will happen? If selected, the dialing rule on the destination server will be deleted. Okay, on destination server will be deleted before the dialing rule from the source servers are copied to destination server. So you are replacing the existing one. Now copy receive into local rules. So if you select this, if selected, dialing rule set to receive into the local server will be included, otherwise these rules are ignored. And copy send locally rule, if you select this, then dialing rule set to send via local server will be included, otherwise these files are ignored. And the next one is setting general preferences for EFM. So here again you have to go this option and automatically reopen server upon startup. You can check mark this and confirm object deletion. If selected, the user must confirm the deletion before an object such as user or library document is deleted, or object confirm object overwrite. So before overwriting it will ask you for the confirmation. And enable duplicate fax number routing code warning. So if selected, a warning message appears when a user is created with a fax number or routing code that is already assigned to another user. So if A is assigned to I mean 1, so if you are creating the same, it will generate you some sort of warning. Okay, it is already created kind of things. And enable service control warning, if selected, what will happen? A warning message appears when you make any changes to the state of any of the RightFax services. And the next option is like do not show non-configured services. If selected, services in the status of not configured do not appear in list of the services. So what does it mean? Let me show you here only. If you select these options here, okay, so if you check mark this, you won't be able to see not configured services here. For example, if you click this and this is not configured as of now, so this will be invisible from here. That is the meaning of that particular setting. So this I was talking about. Replace all rules on destination server, copy receive into local rules, copy send locally rules, and this is what I just now spoke about. Reopen it, confirm object deletion, confirm object overwritten. Okay, let me check mark this and let's see what is happening here. So not configure services gone from here. So that is what I was talking about, like configuring preferences and customizing uh, RightFax Enterprise Fax Manager. So guys, in this video this much on information only. I'm sure I was capable to give you something valuable information, and if you feel it was informative, you know what you have to do. Subscribe, click this bell icon, like, share and comment. So guys, I will meet you in next video, and next video will see the installation of web applications. Okay, till then, bye bye.